78 of the governor's response.
Yuma thiko ya kere ya guthikiririo gwa shira wa kuhagurwo kwa governor wa county ya Kirinyaga Ann Mobi Waiguru umuthi airake magikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya andu 11 ya senators kumutetera.
The tender committees in that particular tender.
Through the chair, council, let me confirm to you these are chairpersons.
Who are the chairpersons? Who is the chair of that tender committee? Are you looking at the same document that I'm looking at?
Please clarify because
umwe waria mekinyirie mbere ya kamiti no ni afitha wa ruhonge rwa gori wa indo kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga Karila Zotieno uria wikorire aceki akendu ataririe uri imwe cia kambuni iria ciandikithitio rungu rwa runa hakuhi ya Waiguru ikoretwo ikio kandarathi cia mamirioni ma mbeca hatari kurumira mitaratara ya kuigana.
And you went on to give a professional opinion in that respect and confirming that the company has experience of 5 years and 3 years audited accounts.
As a joint venture, yes.
Give us the joint venture agreement. Did you attach it in your agreement, in your documents? Did you attach it? Did you not attach?
It is not among these.
Has your professional opinion captured that scenario that it is bidded as a joint venture entity? Has it captured?
No, it doesn't.
Let's
ihinda-ini riu ubuthuri ukoretwo kaunti-ini no uthire na mbere kumbuka gukirikana Waiguru akoretwo akiga thiriti yake kamiti-ini ya uguri kaunti-ini iyo aria makoretwo makimuteithiriria uheani-ini muru wa kandarathi.
Information we have is that the tenders were supposed to be awarded to those who had registered their companies 5 years before, or even more than 5 years before. But it is clear here that the tenders were awarded to Velocity. Velocity was registered in 2017, the year 2017, and the tenders were awarded in the year 2018.
This is the allegation made in the petition against the governor. The governor has violated Section 46 of the Public Procurement and Disposal of Assets Act 2015 by usurping the powers of the accounting officer in establishing an irregular tender evaluation committee. And I wish to pose the question to you, is that correct?
Chair, that is not correct.
Kiuria kinene ni kiyumiririe kigi uria Waiguru ahotire guthiora guoko gwa kamiti ya wandikani kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na makiandika wira Pauline Kamau ta murugamiriri munene wa mibango kaunti-ini iyo atari na maratathio mothe ma kuonania nginyagia githomo giake.
I want to put it to you that you have lied before this committee that Pauline participated in only 2 tenders from earlier submissions.
Chair, I want to clarify that. I'm not a liar. I explained it is a evaluation committee meeting, and one appointment can have several tenders in it. So I clearly said evaluation committee meetings. Council.
So what exactly are you saying? Are you saying that Pauline did not participate in the 2 tenders as you said, and that our evidence shows you that she participated in several tenders, and that those tenders she participated in are questionable?
Wakiri uria urugamirire bunge ya Kirinyaga Ndegwa Njirũ akiuga Waiguru ndabatie guthie na mbere gutungata ta governor wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga kuona wira uria utemanitio mbere ya kamiti ino ya Senate ti wira muhuthu gukwa kimoria metekere gutua shira na kihoto. Muthi wagatano ni muthi ugakorwo wetereirwo na kinyi kuona niguo bunge ya Senate ikagia na gikaro gia senators othe kwambiriria thaa 8:30 na niguo magakorwo makimurika riboti ire gatemanio ni kamiti ino ya senators 11 na korwo kamiti ino ikauga Waiguru ndari na mahitio mothe kuhagurwo gwake ni guteanirio gugateanirio. No angikorwo kamiti ino ikauga Waiguru ari na mahitia kuhagurwo gwake ni gukindirwo gugakindirwo undu uria ugakinyanirio kugirira kura iria igaikio ni senators othe.